Welcome back to my channel. Frizzy, damaged hair, aging, dull skin? This one miracle treatment fixes both, at home. What is Collagen Hair Botox? Collagen Hair Botox is a powerful home remedy that revives your hair from root to tip and naturally boosts collagen in your skin for a younger, radiant look. Unique benefits for hair plus skin. Deeply repairs dry, brittle hair. Removes frizz and restores shine. Boosts natural collagen production. Reverses early signs of aging. Strengthens roots and hydrates scalp. Improves elasticity of skin. 100% natural with zero chemicals. Plus, this DIY is rich in natural vitamins that repair and protect. Vitamin E right pointing arrow nourishes scalp and skin barrier. Vitamin A right pointing arrow boosts cell turnover. Vitamin C right pointing arrow helps collagen synthesis and brightens skin. DIY Collagen Hair Botox Recipe. 2 tablespoons flaxseed gel, rich in plant-based collagen plus vitamin A. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, hydrating plus contains vitamins C and E. 1 tablespoon coconut milk, deep nourishment and shine. 1 teaspoon argan oil, anti-frizz and antioxidant rich. 1 capsule vitamin E oil, repairs damaged strands plus skin barrier. Half a teaspoon rosehip oil, high in natural vitamin A plus collagen boost. 1 teaspoon fermented rice water, adds strength and smoothness. Directions. Mix all ingredients in a clean bowl. Apply to clean, damp hair, from scalp to ends. Gently massage for 5 minutes. Cover with a shower cap and leave on for 45 minutes. Rinse with mild shampoo. Repeat once a week. Skin glow bonus tip. Use any leftover serum on your face. It works like a natural collagen boosting night treatment. Benefits. Tightens skin. Reduces fine lines. Brightens and hydrates overnight. This one DIY transforms your hair and skin together, naturally. Comment. Which vitamin works best for your skin or hair? Like, subscribe, share with your beauty loving friends. Thank you for watching.